Short tail versus long tail keywords. Which ones should you be using on your website? Hi, I'm Oliver from Mechanized, and today I'm going to discuss the use of short tail and long tail keywords. So the first question you have to ask yourself is, what do you want to achieve from your website? Do you want lots of visitors, or do you want people ready to buy from you? So what are short tail keywords? Short tail keywords are search phrases containing 1 to 3 words. If you want to attract lots of visitors to your website, then optimizing for short tail keywords is the most effective way to do this. However, if you've never done any SEO before, or it's a new website, you'll be joining the back of a long queue to get to page 1. For this example, we'll use a footwear website. Ideal short tail keywords will be trainers, Adidas trainers, and women's Adidas trainers. As you can see, they're quite general searches. So what are the pros and cons of using short tail keywords? One of the pros is that it has high search volume, which means you'll be getting lots of visitors to your website. The cons is that it's a high competition, which means that your competitors will want to rank on page 1 for the same keyword. There will be a low intent to purchase because it's a general search, and there'll be a low conversion rate because the visitor will land on a general page. In summary, short tail keywords have a high search volume, but also are highly competitive and harder to rank in Google. But with a bit of hard work, patience and strategy, it is possible to rank above your competitors. So what are long tail keywords? Long tail keywords are search phrases containing more than 3 words. The beauty of long tail keywords is that 70% of searches on Google are made up of long tail keywords. Sticking with our footwear website, ideal long tail keywords would be Adidas Yeezy Boost trainers or Adidas trainers designed by Kanye West. The challenge with long tail keywords is that they're more specific. They have a lower search volume than short tail keywords, but, and it's a big but, the visitor will land on the specific page and have a higher intent to purchase. Don't forget that if you've not optimized your site for long tail keywords, you're going to be missing out on these opportunities. So what are the pros and cons of long tail keywords? One of the pros is that it has low competition, which means not everyone's going to be ranking for these keywords. There's going to be a higher intent to purchase because the customer is searching for a specific item, and there's going to be a higher conversion rate because the visitor is going to land on the page they're looking for. And the cons is that there's a low search volume. This graph shows the relationship between high competition and the probability of conversion for short and long tail keywords. When long tail keywords are used, you can see that conversion increases as competition decreases. Long tail keywords account for 70% of Google searches, so the best strategy is to optimize for long tail keywords, and that way you can catch customers searching for something specific. If you optimize for long tail keywords, then by default you'll be also optimizing for short tail keywords, so you'll cover all bases. You'll be ranked high for long tail keyword searches, capturing customers with high intent to purchase, but also you'll start to climb the ranks for short tail keywords, increasing your organic traffic. So how can you apply this to your website? Well, in my opinion, optimizing for long tail keyword searches is a great start if you're a brand new website or if you've never done SEO before. Targeting long tail searches will get you ranking quickly in Google and also increase your organic traffic. If you do have to rank for your short tail keyword, it is possible, but it's just going to take time to get to page 1. Let me know in the comments how you're using long tail keywords in your SEO strategy.